This is our quartz micro powder ball milling and classifying production line. The ball mill adopts special design and suitable proportion of grinding medium to achieve ideal grinding fineness. By using different combinations of single or multiple classifiers, products with different fineness can be produced at the same time, or the product specifications can be changed at any time according to the demand, which has greater flexibility. The classifier is equipped with speed sensor and control system to measure, evaluate and compensate the air temperature, air pressure, air volume and filter pressure difference, so as to ensure the stability of product quality. The feeding of ball mill is controlled continuously to ensure the stability of feeding and achieve the highest grinding efficiency. Through quantitative injection of grinding additives by metering pump, the accurate ratio is ensured, and the grinding efficiency and stability of product performance are improved. The glass room is our main control room. Neat, clear, and concise. The whole line adopts automatic control system to achieve stable load of machine and ensure low energy consumption.